bamwe abanene kutunga mako.
Chabia chakane ejirijo kubanza eja kabere chamabye ni chakatano chamukaga nopsho chamasa nere bwamachini chese bitobo mona omunwe so ngamba mu nere ayenga natamade okuba kukokulie buwa kandi sikole kumundu baka ebere bit nere
promise marataka usana neza tuwa tikyomulero mobe netuwa tikyomubara ono eto masamero mitendekero eri kajeni keko
bikitu mulikanye ababa basheyali nganashi bama bitu mulikanye kandi bakende mbere erendi bona mutu mulikanye. Is not time for blame games. We should all face this boldly and jointly as people of Kasese, as Ugandans. Because what we are seeing, there are so many dimensions in the investigations. We might be pursuing ADF in Congo when the collaborators are here.
Abahekyera kare mzee ya manyangumbweno n'abashuma barabaheru kuya yo munju yajyankwa aba bantu nabasako bari abashuma yiguraho yareba ngo bundi baza kwakira hariyo haruho nanke impunu zazire hariya yajyango bundi bize kwiba imbuno kuya shohiro munju yatera toki kuya batire toki aza kubarebire yatera toki nibo kugaruke nyuma kuza kugira ki kuza kureba guwa batera toki niko kwiza bakasanga muze yari ayemerera hariyo mu muryango bamutema bataho mu nzu bihamo na mama nawe bamutema kune nyuma bataho ahandi basangaho mukaka nyami nabo bamutera inyondo ababiri baferaho aza mama ni wari standard ku.
We still have 17 bodies which are in Fort Portal. They were burnt beyond recognition and now they have gone to do a DNA. So the parents are still waiting. We are working closely with the Ministry of Health, mainly Buhinga Hospital, security, and all the political leaders to see that that exercise is also speeded up and is completed